Hello Hoopers and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be going over a very beginner friendly combo, and that combo is going to look something like this. So before we get into it, if you're new to my channel, my name is Kate, also known as Hoop with Kate on literally everything. I teach beginner and intermediate hoopers how to expand on their flow. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing down below, leave a comment, like this video, share it with a friend. It just helps hoopers find my channel and grow the community even bigger. All right, so let's get into it. So the first portion of this move is going to be a handspin to a contact escalator. So that's going to be this portion right here. So what you're gonna do is grab the hoop with your dominant hand and your palm is gonna be facing towards you. You're gonna lift up the hoop across your body and then all the way up to 12 o'clock. Once you're here, you're going to go into a handspin, and all you're gonna do is just twist your wrist with your pinky leading, and you're gonna open up your hand for the handspin. Once you have this portion of the move down, we're gonna incorporate a contact escalator into the move. So what we're gonna do is, as we are letting go of the hoop for the handspin, we're just going to open up our hand and bring our arm all the way up. As you're doing this, your arm is going to lock inside of your hula hoop, and you're gonna bring your hand all the way behind you to set you up for the escalator. So it's gonna look something like this. So we're here, spin, up, and behind. So what happens is that your arm is gonna be interlocking in your hoop just like this, and you're just going to swing your hoop behind you so that it naturally falls on your back. Once it's in this position, that's when you're going to raise up your opposite leg so that it can catch the hoop for that downward escalator. That's why you want to make sure that you're swinging the hoop all the way back so that it gets that momentum. So as the hoop makes contact with your back, it's going to continue to fall into the crevice that you created, and then the hoop is going to land in this position right here. We're going to go into that handspin. So we're going to bring it up, spin, lift up that leg, and you're going to land in this position right here. From here, we're going to just lift the hoop up into an isolation. So all you're going to do is keep the hoop in this plane right here. With the hand that caught the hoop, you're just going to lift the hoop up and over your body. And as you're doing this, you're going to isolate the hoop on the bottom. So now your arm is traveling over to your opposite side, and you're going to end up in this kind of awkward position right here. So we're here, lift up, and here. So from here, you're going to be doing this a lot quicker, so you'll have the momentum of the hoop. So as you're in this position right here, you're going to swing the hoop up and over, open up your hand, and you're going to re-grip the hoop with your palm facing out towards your dominant side. From here, you're going to go into a linear cat eye, and you're just going to push the hoop over to your opposite side. You're going to release and simultaneously let the hoop roll over the back of your hand and extend your arm out to your dominant side. So we're here, we're going to extend and finish. So let's start that portion of the move again down here. You're going to lift the hoop up, isolate the bottom of the hoop, and as it's over to your opposite side, you're just going to extend your arm kind of like in a rainbow like this, and you're going to open up your hand, re-grip the hoop. As the hoop comes right in front of you, your palm is going to be facing out towards your dominant side. Once you're in this position, you're just going to immediately go into a linear cat eye. So you're going to go across your body, release, extend, and finish. When you're in this position right here, you want to make sure that you're also extending your opposite arm just so you can elongate that move and make it a little bit more dynamic. So let me show you how to do this move from behind. Again, you're going to have the hoop in your dominant hand. You're going to reach over to your opposite side, bring it all the way up with your pinky leading. You're going to spin the hoop around your hand by flicking your wrist towards the front. You're going to open up your hand, lift up, and then go into that contact escalator. While you're doing this, again, you want to make sure that you're lifting up your opposite leg so that the hoop can fall naturally down your body. Once you're in this position right here, you're just going to lift the hoop up, isolate the bottom of the hoop so that it comes over to your opposite side. You're going to lift the hoop up, rainbow your arm across, re-grip the hoop as it swings back in front of you. Your palm is going to be facing over to your dominant side. You're going to extend and go into a linear cat eye, release, extend, let it roll over your arm, and finish right here. So here's the move one more time in slow motion. All right, Hoopers, I hope this tutorial helped. So if you're still having some trouble with any portion of the move, make sure that you leave a comment down below. I'll be more than happy to help you out. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment, share it with a friend. Again, it just helps support me and helps grow the community even bigger. All right, Hoopers, I hope this helps. I'll see you in the next one. Happy hooping.